Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Yeedi S20 Infinity. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, download the Yeedi app for iOS and Android devices, sign in or create your account. Once you do, you'll be at this screen where you may or may not have other Yeedi devices, depending on if this is your first Yeedi product or not. So we have a couple that we can choose from on our screen. But to add our new device, top right-hand corner, there's a little like barcode icon box with 4 corners. So we can scan a code on our vacuum. Ours is right here. We can scan that, and now it's going to work on walking us through setup. So make sure it's powered on. You flip the switch to the white position. We've powered it on. Select next. So we got to turn on Bluetooth hotspot. So we hold down the reset button for 1 second.
I've activated my Bluetooth hotspot.
So there we go.
In the app, find me in the list of detected robots and tap to start Bluetooth pairing.
Now we select next. Now it's searching for the device, and it found our device right here on screen. So we're going to select it.
Now is connected to the app via Bluetooth.
They're connected. Voice prompt saying the same thing.
Wi-Fi and enter the password in the app to start the network connection.
Now we need to connect to our home Wi-Fi. Best bet to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz network if possible. Then select next.
Debit now is connecting to the network.
Now it's working on connecting to the network.
Running in the foreground and avoid switching to other apps.
Checklist 1 out of 3 so far. Working on connecting to the server.
Thanks for getting Debit online.
There we go. Look at that, super quick.
Access, Debit's unlocked lots of new skills. To make it easier to reach Debit anytime, let's go through a few quick setup steps.
So here we go. First up, we have a firmware update. So let's go ahead and select update.
English and many other languages too. Let's head to the app and select the language you'd like to use.
So now we have it on the station. We'll start the upgrade.
Start charging.
It's charging and downloading and updating.
Please do not power off.
All right, took about 4 minutes. We're at 99%. Voice prompt saying the system's starting back up, so that's a good sign. I believe it's going through that final restart, and then everything will be completed.
Update completed.
That's what we needed to hear. Update's completed. Boom. Hit got it. And now we have our device here. We can select it to enter in. It's going to walk you through some tutorials if you want to turn on certain features. And then front and center, map your home. That's how you're going to start. Build that map, then you can start cleaning. So simple, straightforward app setup. Give yourself 4 or 5 minutes for any sort of firmware updates as well.